What is balance? Equanimity in two or more aspects, being centered. In this case, not falling is balance. Stabilizing, then being composed and being control of it, not just on the tree, in relationship, in life, in work. What does balance mean in daily life? What is the balance between yesterday and tomorrow, or past and future? It's now, present, likes and dislikes. It's acceptance. So simple, huh? This starts physically and mentally. Physically, when one is not balanced, like in your posture, eventually it leads to different pains, like knee pains, back pains, headaches. When we ignore our body's response, the things happens. Similarly, fear, expectations and attachment can lead to mental imbalances. This imbalance can range from simple headaches that most of us ignore to much more serious issues like schizophrenia and cancer. When one is balanced in all aspects, it's freedom, it's wisdom. Where to balance? Everywhere. What we eat has to be balanced. It brings health. What we think has to be balanced. It brings calmness. How we breathe has to be balanced. It brings presence, centering of breath of the whole system, including the mind. How we walk has to be balanced. It saves us from injuries. Crazy, huh? No, it is simple. All balancing starts with a basic fundamentals. See, in yoga, we do Tadasana, which is a base asana for everything. It's very simple. Stand and keep the hands freely dropped there. Weight has to be shared on all four directions equally, and sense the connection between the feet and the floor. If you close your eyes for a minute or two, you can easily recognize body weight. Sometimes it moves to the heels, or either right heel or left heel. Sometimes it goes to the edge of your foot, sometimes on your toes. In some movement, all four directions, you don't find weight anywhere where the exact balance takes place. Just 1 to 2 minutes of exercise can make a huge difference into our entire life. This way, take every hour 1 minute away from it and just go and stand and experience where your body weight is there. Or see, when you are standing, just pay attention there. Keep eyes remain open, just feel where the body weight is more experienced. Believe me, if we practice this, sciatica, not that easy to happen. Back pain, neck pain, that easily disappears, and mind becomes so centered and completely present. This way, simple yet a powerful tool to bring a great balance in life is making sure the weight is balanced on all four directions equally.